Okay, this plane I call the Ansley P-Strone Twin, and I guess it's really a mini twin because the main wing is 40 and the canard is 20 inches. But I took the Quad Multiplane airplane that I had, and what I wanted to do was make a plane that I could use for practicing FPV takeoffs and landings. So I wanted something that was fairly rugged, and in a bad landing the motors and the props would be protected. So in this plane, with the long nose and the tricycle landing gear, in a bad landing the landing gear is going to take the hit, or most likely the front part of the landing gear or the nose. But the wings and the motor should be protected. So I took the motors off of the front wing and shortened it to 20 inches. And then on the rear wing I lengthened it to 40 inches, so it has the typical Ansley P-Strone dimensions of 2:1 rear wing to front wing. All the flight surfaces have servos, so I have 2 servos in the front for elevator, and then 2 servos in the back for ailerons. And then you can see the motors, which are NTM 2830S 900 kV. On the Quad Multiplane I was using 3S with 10 by 4.5 props. On this I'm using 4S with 9 by 6 props, and it flies a lot faster, much faster than I anticipated. There's one hatch in between the wings, which is where all the radio equipment is. And I also added a rudder, which the Quad Multiplane did not have. So the main purpose of this plane is FPV, specifically practicing landings. So I've got a 600 milliwatt video transmitter and a SpiroNet antenna, and then underneath, which gives me a pretty clear view of everything, you can see the front part of the landing gear in the picture, but it looks like it's quite a ways away. So it gives you a clear view of the ground, and plus the camera is protected by the landing gear. So that's my Experimental Airlines Ansley P-Strone FPV airplane, and it's going to be maiden flight is just going to be in a few minutes here.